Okay, now we're going to look at the cube. So let's zoom in here a little bit so we can get a better view. And with our cube, I've saved it for last. Some of you may know how to do a cube already. But for the most part, what we're trying to do is we're going to draw the cube so you can see it in 3 angles. So in our draw squads, it shows us two little dots, and then what you want to do is have another dot on top and another dot on bottom. This is kind of marking off your corners, how big your cube is going to be. So this line, this back line is going to be parallel to the front of the box. This is the back of the box, this is the front of the box, and what we're drawing now is the top. This is the top of our cube. So now we have, it's like a diamond. It really is just a diamond. And what we want to do is come down, and we're coming straight down, but when we end it, it's going to end, this is going to be a parallel line to the top. The top and bottom are parallel, like railroad tracks running down a course. So now we're going to do this one parallel to the top of the box, because our side is exactly straight up and down. So our angles are the same. So these two, this one here and this one here, are both parallel to each other, like railroad tracks. All right, our light source is coming again from the right, and we have a line to represent the table that our cube is sitting on. Now for our shading, we're going to do some hatching down on this side because it's darker on this side because our light source is coming from the right. And we're going to have a shadow coming off onto the table of where our cube is. Now we might even have some shadowing right here, just a little bit, because the light source is coming from over here. So I've done some cross hatching at the bottom, and I kind of taper it off so it doesn't go all the way to the top. So here we have some shading. Now since the light's coming over here, there may even be a little bit of shading up here. And I just did just a little bit to kind of show. All right, and that is how you do a cube. And we have used cross hatching to shade it, so it looks more three-dimensional. Now you give it a try and see what you can do with a cube.